Today, I'm going to show you how to sew your own scrub cap. Start by cutting out your pattern pieces, ensuring you cut pattern piece B on folded fabric and do not cut the folded edge. If your fabric has a directional pattern, make sure everything is facing the way you like before cutting. Take your cap top piece and finish the flat edge using a zigzag stitch or serger. Next, fold that edge up about 1/2 inch and press it in place. This creates a clean finish and a casing if you want to add elastic. If you're adding elastic, feed it through using a safety pin. Leave a little extra on each end in order to pin or clip it in place, then secure the elastic with a stitch on each end. Now place your side piece right side up and layer the top piece on it, wrong side up. This ensures the right sides of your fabric are together. Match the center points first, then pin or clip along the curve. Take your time here. Keeping everything even and flat under your pins will give you the best shape. Sew along the pinned edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Once sewn, finish the seam with a zigzag stitch or serger. This creates a seam that will hold up over multiple wears. Now fold the raw edge in along the ties about 1/8 of an inch and press. Fold the ends of the ties inward. Then fold everything again to create clean ties and a smooth edge around the cap. Ironing as you go and pinning or clipping as needed to hold everything in place. Starting at the end of one tie, sew along the edge with a straight stitch. Follow the curve of the cap, pivoting at the corners. Continue all the way around, ensuring you sew back along each curve to reinforce this section for durability. Don't forget to backstitch at the beginning and end. Trim any loose threads and turn your cap right side out. And that's it. Your scrub cap is ready to wear or gift. Happy sewing.